Hello my darlings, welcome back to Decor Ambience. I started to declutter and organize my home for Christmas, and I need some organization items that will help me maintain my home organized and not get messy after a couple of weeks. I want to start with my kitchen, so I explored all the organizers that Ikea offers. After many hours of research, here are my top favorites. Organizing the countertops and tables. For practical reasons, we always have some items on our countertop, and most of the time it looks messy or misplaced. The trick that I noticed in IKEA kitchen displays is to group these items on a tray or a cutting board, preferably groups of 3. Our eyes somehow love 3 items together. Like this, it looks intentional, grouped, and they don't even need to match. Of course, you can get similar ones for a better result. Next on my list are the cutlery drawer organizers. I think all of their options are great at utilizing the full volume of our kitchen drawers. It's easy to store and easy to find items. IKEA has 2 options. They are both great, choose the one that fits best with your kitchen. I will opt for the bamboo one because I have a wooden countertop and it will look nice together. The plastic one comes in 3 sizes and you can adjust it even more with this add-on tray. The bamboo one comes in 3 sizes as well, and the small compartments can be made bigger by removing one or more of the smaller dividers. If you have drawers in other sizes, combine different sized organizers to create a suitable solution. I always struggle with my deep drawers because all the things keep sliding around and get disorganized in one day after I tidy it. My top pick from what I saw is the pegboard drawer organizer. It comes with 24 adjustable pegs that we can move and customize. I think it would be great for pots, lids, plates and frying pans. The other option that they have are the dividers, perfect for food containers, baking sheets and lids. In this room display, I like also these wooden boxes. You cannot have a corner cabinet without a carousel. Actually, of course you can, but they will annoy you. IKEA has options for base and wall cabinets as well. This is an excellent item, easy to fit and looks great in the cupboard. No more messy cupboard and no emptying it to find the item hidden at the bottom. This one is bigger and will diminish the risk of straining your back to reach that pan. Certainly makes getting those things at the back of the cupboard so much easier. This will transform your cupboard space, utilizing all the space, and it looks very pretty as well. Wall cabinets are a bit trickier. At the moment I have simple shelves and it's not looking great. The bottom ones are okay-ish because I can reach them, but on the top I don't even know what I have. I find out only when I do my seasonal cleaning and I forget 5 minutes later. Out of sight, out of mind. I wanted some type of drawers like these ones, but they are too long and won't fit. The best alternatives I found are the Lazy Susans. These are a game changer. I don't need to say more, there are so many uses. Other options are transparent jars. They have many options, but these are my favorites. We've started buying dried goods like beans and rice in loose to avoid unnecessary packaging. And these storage containers are perfect. The slim design means they take up little cupboard space, and the fill-up lid makes it easy to pour. I love these baskets. They are both sturdy and stylish. It's also really useful that you can see what is in each basket. We can also use shelf inserts. They help to save up space with cups, bowls, steamed food, or any item you can think of. It can double the space instantly. These holders for containers are absolutely fabulous for kitchen cupboards. You can fix these holders to your shelves to line up square or rectangular containers from the Ikea 365 Plus series. Storage turntable. Easy access to all the things at the back of the fridge. Revolutionary. It's much better than a shelf, easy to reach all the things in the back without bending or pulling everything out. No more emptying the cupboard to find something. It is compatible with the method kitchen that were fabricated after 2014. The pull-out makes the tall Ikea cabinets easy to access and keep supplies organized. Adjustable wire shelves are practical for storing things such as cleaning supplies, detergents, and vacuum cleaner. In my many trips to Ikea, I noticed that they recommend adding a large drawer at the bottom where you can fit the garbage bins, and on top a smaller shelf for cleaning supplies. In this way, you do not waste any space like in this example. This is practical and easy, fits well, keeps the bin area neat and tidy, and hidden most of all. If you have a cabinet, it is practical to have a pull-out frame. The bins stay in place, you can get good access and overview. I love that this recycle-friendly waste system is easy and nearly effortless. Open storage has a life of its own. Kitchen shelving is utility and presentation as well. It can be all about utility, putting spices, oils, and utensils at your disposal, or it can be about creating a display that reflects your personality. Thank you for watching.